Good morning. How are you doing today? I hope you're doing fine. I'm doing fine. So today we are still continuing with our Unit 6 in English. Please take your English learner's book and your notebook. Okay? I'm waiting. Our lesson objectives today. We are going to listen to a poem, speak about dinosaurs, recite a poem, read a poem, and writing. We are going to write about a dinosaur. Critical thinking. We are going to do what? Comparing and contrasting, memorizing. These are our vocabulary words for our lesson today. I would like you to take your notebook, write the day today, and write these vocabulary words in your bag. Heavy. Do you know the meaning of heavy? Yes. Fast. Do you know the meaning of fast? Good. Slow? Good. Strong? Loud? Quiet? Dangerous. You know all this meaning, right? Good. Can you write them in your notebook? Good. Okay, let's continue with our lesson. But before we proceed with our lesson, I would like ourselves to remind about our previous lesson. Lesson 2. Do you still remember about lesson 2? Good. I still remember because it was really interesting lesson. So let's look here. Open your book on page 80. Open your learner's English book on page 80 and let's read together. They say, try to imagine a dinosaur that is 37 meters long. Then imagine a dinosaur that is as long as 3 buses. Which is easier? Read and complete these sentences. For me, the easiest one is this one, as long as 3 buses. Okay, so our lesson today, we are going to compare measurement to actual object and how to express it in English. Are we together? Good. All right, let's continue. Now open your learner's book on page 80. Open your learner's book on page 80. So what we are going to do today, before we proceed with our lesson, let's remind ourselves about our previous lesson, what we did. Do you still remember? Good. Now, let's look at this picture. Look at this picture. We have elephant and we have a 17 elephant and dinosaur here. Okay, so they say the UR has heavy has 17 elephant. So I want you to take your notebook, write the day today, write the page and write this sentence in your notebook complete. They were as heavy as 17 elephant. I will explain everything in detail. Okay, the smallest dinosaur were as small as what? Look here, as small as a chicken. So let's look at these comparison words here. So we often use comparison to describe what? To describe things. Okay, look at this one. As light as a feather, as quick as lightning, as busy as a bee, as big as. So we have a lot of comparison in English, and these all are commonly used in English. Do you have any equivalent like this in your own language? Do you? Okay, good. Now, let's imagine a dinosaur, either real or invented. Okay? I want you to draw your dinosaur After draw the dinosaur, I want you to write 3 sentences describing your dinosaur. Okay? After that, I want you to take a photo and send to me. On Wednesday and on Thursday, we'll be live. So you will describe your own work to everyone and also to me. Okay?